Mom, can you try to find a download link for Thunder? I actually don't care which game it is. There's Thunder Mansion, or Vacation, and there's Thunder Life with that because it costs money. What is this?
I can get him on here.
Yeah!
I can get him on here.
Brent, I
can
can't
get the games
record it
on
on
here.
there.
Stop recording.
Brent, I can't record it on
I can play it on here, and Mom can record me playing it on here.
there. I want to do something on my channel. So I can
She
upload.
can put it on your channel.
But I want it to be in it. Woman, no! Mom!
You know we're gonna get in trouble for copyright, right? That's just gonna give me a strike on my YouTube channel.
Mom, they're not good.
Stop doing it. Oh, where's that tea bag?
You want to teabag your mother? That's just gross.
Not that one. Here, let me hear it.
What are you doing? I have a leaky tea bag. Mom, I'm gonna send your...
Tea bag.
Gosh!
Oh, it exploded. My tea bag exploded. How is this funny?
Simple, say what you said again.
What?
Your tea bag exploded.
It looks like soggy coffee.